Welcome to the final video in the Smart Report series. In the previous videos, you saw how you can create a basic Smart Report and how you can add further customization to your Smart Report, including with fields and formatting changes. Now you can prepare for export. To do that, return to the Designer view. You can apply styling to each one of the levels of your work items. For the first section, let's choose Heading 1. This change will apply to the table of contents of the exported report and will also apply to the headings in the document. For the second section, let's select Heading 2. For epics, choose Heading 3. You can continue to add different heading styles for your various work items. If you have labels available for those specific fields, you could apply styling to the labels as well. When you're ready, click Save and return to the report view. For the export of the Smart Report as a whole, there are different styling sheets you can apply. If you're bringing in a Word template, select Inherit Word Styling so that the Smart Report will adhere to the formatting of your template. Generate report and then save as a Word doc, a PDF, or HTML. Or you can save to Library, which saves the document in the document management system. DMS is a function of modern requirements that allows you to save your documents in Azure DevOps. For this example, let's select Microsoft Word. You can upload a Word template by choosing File and selecting your template. Once your template is uploaded to the system, it will be stored in the Uploaded Template section. It can be reused across your project. Click OK and you can select the Smart Report. And here it is. You can see the table of contents have been updated according to the headings. Here are the different sections and requirements. So that is how you can output your Smart Report. Thank you for watching this series on Smart Report.